first question we have, what first inspired you to consider switching to an EV?
When it came to switching to an EV, it came down to balancing costs more than anything. The environment's important to me, and a lot of EV owners say that. But to me, for how I drive around on my day-to-day and how far I go, electric vehicle seemed like a no-brainer for cost savings on day-to-day use.
I've been passionate about electric vehicles for more than 10 years because of their potential to reduce cost of operation, improved reliability, energy independence from geopolitical factors, and of course the environmental benefits. I convinced my parents to get a Nissan Leaf before I learned to drive, and I learned to drive on a Nissan Leaf.
I like the way that electric vehicles drive and the technology of them, but also the unstable price of gasoline over at least the last 10 years played a big role on it too.
Many people say it's for the environment, but for me it was personal reasons. Just wanted to save some gas money and maintenance cost. And after looking into it, I just really did out the numbers and said, yeah, okay, I want to go to EV to save some of the fuel costs because I do drive around quite a bit. So that's really what motivated me to go with EV.